Oh no, not again. So again, it happened for the third time and my LED indicator has malfunctioned, completely burned out. Just 1 year I had to replace 3 of these. So I was hoping for a replacement for a new model for 2019 and it's finally in my mailbox, so I cannot wait to replace them and finally have LED indicators without any problems. So the overall design of these bulbs is different in every aspect. As you can see, the base material is no longer an ordinary metal, but a compact aluminum case that also fulfills the purpose of passive cooling, which is very important with LED indicators. So this is an element that prevents overheating, which was one of the main reasons why all LEDs were malfunctioning. The choice of these chips, their quantity and location is also important. The output luminosity of the new chips is more orangey and more effective, whereas their location and the absence of the lens and their diminished quantity, which is about 1/10 on the original model, speak for more logical engineering. Last but not least, the overall body construction is small both in width and height, which means they should fit in almost any car. But despite all of these properties, we're talking here only about half the original luminosity, which is quite sufficient and also legal for daily driving.